Let's make a peach cobbler. Get you a stick of butter. Put it in a skillet and put it in the oven while it preheats to 350 degrees. Now get you a medium-sized bowl. Usually the recipe is a cup of flour, a cup of sugar, and a cup of milk. Cup. And of course the stick of butter and a can of peaches. But my skillet tonight is like a little bit bigger than the normal size skillet, and my can of peaches is one of those big fat cans, 29 ounces. So I'm probably gonna do a cup and a half of flour, a cup and a half of sugar, a cup and a half of milk. This is a half cup measuring, so I'm gonna do 3 of these. Cup and a half of sugar too. It's all equal parts. And a cup and a half of milk. You're just gonna whisk this up till it's smooth. My oven's already preheated because I got a Lazy Marry Me chicken bubble bake in it right now. So if you wanna see that video, you can just find it on my page. Now what we've done so far, we've made the batter, we're melting the butter. That's your base for any fruit cobbler that you wanna make. This recipe is so much better with fresh fruit. So if you have fresh peaches, peel them, slice them up, and then put them in there. It's really good with fresh blueberries. I love blackberry cobbler. So many different ways you can make and eat cobbler. Cherry cobbler, strawberry cobbler. I love peach cobbler probably the most, and it's definitely not peach season, but I'm just gonna use canned peaches. And tonight I'm using a 29 ounce can. This is the peaches in heavy syrup, so I'm probably gonna use most of the syrup in the cobbler. You'll see. My butter's melted. Here's where the magic happens. You just take your batter that you've already got prepared, pour it into that butter, and then you just put your fruit in. I'm not just gonna dump those because I like to spread them out. I want a peach in every bite. Plus, I don't know if that's too much syrup. Lots of people tell me that they do put all of the syrup in.
That looks good, Mom.
Thank you. So I'm getting syrup like on my spoon, but I'm definitely not gonna use all of this syrup. It left about that much syrup in there. But it's ready to go into a 350 degree oven for about 45 minutes. We're all done. Look how pretty that looks. If you got some vanilla ice cream, this pairs really well with peach cobbler. We're gonna give y'all a taste test.
You want some on yours?
No.
Are you see? See? Hot.
Oh, it's so good. It always is. They make fun of me because I eat things straight out the oven. I do the same thing with my coffee. Once it brews, I just get to drinking it, you know. Y'all make you some cobbler. I love you. Stay classy.